Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, inshallah, we'll be going over the book number 3, lesson number 6, revision for the Madina Arabic course. We completed the from lesson number 1 to lesson number 5 the last time. In fact, lesson number 4 and 5 last time. In last 2 weeks, we completed the overall lesson number 1 to lesson number 5. So inshallah, we'll go over the lesson number 6 and beyond. So my effort will be that we can complete at least 2 lessons today in today's session. The session will be for approximately 1.5 hours. And if any one of you is unable to answer the questions, or unable to talk, I already saw some comments already. So if you are unable to, please do let me know via the chat so that it's easier for me to understand, who to be asking the questions during the session. So inshallah, we'll get started now. And again, as always, this is just a revision session. From a revision session, meaning that the session will be very fast paced. So if this is the first time you're joining or the first time you're watching, this is a very fast paced session. If you want to go into the detailed session, the detailed sessions are already available on YouTube. So let's get started, inshallah. I'll share my screen with you now. There you go. So this is lesson number 6, book number 3, Adas Sadis. The very first item, as usual, is the vocabulary items. All right. So the very first thing, Majalla, which is the magazine, Imara, which is the building, Surah is the surah of the Quran, Shiqqatun, which is the flat or the apartment, Sinnun is tooth, Ya Bunayya is oh my little son. It is usually used when you're saying something out of love and compassion for your son. Masroor means pleased or happy. Faqat is only. Kawa is he ironed. Fahimtuhu jayyidan. I have understood it well. Fahimtuhu jayyidan. I have understood it well. Zadakallahu ilma. May Allah increase your knowledge. It's a dua that you make for somebody. If you want to make for dua for somebody, this is how you will actually say this. And then Ja'a, he came. Rakibun is a passenger in a bus, train, or a plane, or a rakib. Fariha, he was pleased. Khadim is the servant, both male and female. Masha'Allah, literally what Allah wills, an expression of surprise and appreciation. So generally use whatever Allah wills. So couple of rules. This is something that we have done for a very long time. So the letter, you always remember that whenever something is written in Arabic language, generally the rule is that it is written in the past tense. So zahabata, when you actually say zahabti, that would mean that you went, and because in the end there is a kasra, zahabti, that will be meaning that you went, but it's a feminine singular. And then zahabat is she went, which is the feminine singular also. And then zahabta is you went, but it is for masculine singular. Zahabti is for you went for feminine singular. And then zahabtu is I went. So very easy to remember. Ta fatha is for something when you're talking about a male. Ti, which is the kasra, is for something when you're talking about a female. Tu, which is the dhamma, is something that I'm talking about for myself. So the numbers rule, we already know the numbers 11 to 20 with the feminine madud. We have already learned that these numbers with the masculine madud in lesson number 3. Rules pertaining to these numbers with feminine madud have also been mentioned there. And to summarize, 11 to 12, 11 and 12, both parts of the numbers agree with the madud. For example, ahada ashara taliban, meaning then the ashara word and then the ahada, they both will agree with the whether it is masculine or a singular, masculine or it is feminine, right? So look at the word ihda asharata taliban. So you have the ta marbuta in the ashara. So it's agreeing with the the noun that you see afterwards, which is talibatan. But number 13 to 19, the rule actually changes. For example, salasata ashara taliban. So now you have ta marbuta with the letter 3, salasata, and then uh, the noun actually is masculine over here. So it changes. The rule actually completely changes. It becomes opposite. However, same thing for the feminine as well. So salasa asharata taliban. So now you see that the salasa is not agreeing with talibatan, because now it is the masculine part, and then the noun actually over there is the feminine part. Couple of letters to remember. Azunnu, azunnu is meaning I think. Azunnu innaha zahabat ilal Makkah. I think that she went to Makkah. I'll just mention one more because we have gone through this before as well. Azunnu anna Hamidan maridun. I think that Hamid is sick. Azunnu annal imama jadidun. I think that the imam is new. So azunnu simply is used for I think. So difference between inna and anna. We have went through this before as well. So I'll go through this again. So at the start of the independent nominal sentence, inna means indeed, certainly, or truly. It is used to underscore that a feature of something or a characteristic of someone is absolutely right. Hence, when you say Inna Allah Ghafurur Rahim, it means that Allah is undoubtedly forgiving and merciful. Anna has the meaning of linking the word. It means that like to the English that is in phrases like think that, believe that, said that, and so forth. Or inna and anna are used with the nominal sentence jumlatul ismiya. Both change the parsing mark of the topic, which is the mubtada, from nominative to accusative, while the predicate, which is the khabar, remains the nominative. Inna is used at the start of the independent nominal sentence and after the verb of the saying to say yaqulu, qala, qul, and after the oath, wallahu, I swear, and all that. Qal means, or qala means, he said. Qal, innaka ahsanu taliban fil fasl. He said, you are the best student in the class. Lima, lima, or limahu, which is the so for example, when you say lima, it means why. If it stands alone, a ha is added to it. This is called haul sakt. Lima, it means why. Ju'an, Atshan, Ghadban, we already know that we have known the reasoning behind it, exactly what all of these words actually means. However, the feminine of such adjective is on the pattern of fa'ala, and the plural of both masculine and feminine is on the pattern of fi'alun. For example, bi'lalun ju'anu, ar-rijalu ji'aun. So fa'ala is how you'll actually have to look at it. So ar-rijalu ji'aun and nisa'u ji'aun. Both of them will be on the pattern of fi'alun. Hati means bring or give, bring it or give it. Hati meaning giving or bring it or give it, meaning Ya Ahmadu Hati, Ya Akhwanu Hatu, Ya Zainabu Hati, O Zainab bring it, O Hamad bring it, O brothers bring it, O sisters bring it. Fariha, I already mentioned, means joy or happiness. Farihtu bika, I was pleased with you. Farihu bina, they were pleased with us. Farihta bih, were you pleased with him? All right, so we'll go through quickly the translation exercise, and the first one will be this time for Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
الأم متى رجعت من المدرسة يا بني? Uncle, who
When?
When did you return from the school, O son? سعيد رجعت قبل نصف ساعة. سعيد, I returned half an hour ago. الأم أين أختك يا مريم؟ أما رجعت. Uncle, where is your sister Maryam? Didn't she return?
Sorry, you said uncle for Ummu?
Yes.
It is Ummu, not Ammu. Or Ammu is for with the Ain. That
Oh,
uncle, the uncle is with Ain. This one is Ummu,
for mother,
mother. Yes, very good.
the mother. Where is your sister Maryam? Didn't she return? Said, لا أدري. أنا ما رأيتها. I don't know. I didn't see her. الأم ماذا قرأت اليوم? The mother, what did you uh, recited or read today?
Mm-hmm.
سعيد قرأت اليوم درسا جديدا في الفقه. سعيد, today I learned a new lesson in the fiqh or in the jurisprudence. الأم أفهمته. The mother, did you understand it? سعيدا نعم فهمته جيدا. Said, yes, I understood it well.
Very good. So let's do one more. Here's the translation for all of these that you just did. Next one, Sami.
أما قرأت الأم أما قرأت القرآن الكريم. Did you learn Quran today? Quran Kareem, there is no today. سعيدا بلا قرأت سورة الرحمن وحفظتها. ففرح بالمدرس كثيرا وقال إنك أحسن طالب في الفصل. سعيد بلا yes, I recited Surah Rahman and I memorized it. My teacher was the teacher was very happy with me, and he said, "Indeed, you are the best student in the class." Al-Amu, mashallah, zadakallahu ilman ya bunayya. The mother, um, mashallah is uh, as Allah wills.
Very good.
May Allah increase your knowledge, my son. Sa'idun, أغسلتكم ثاني يا أمي. Sa'id, did you wash my shirt, mother? الأم نعم غسلتها وكويتها. uh, I washed it and ironed it. خذ هذا القميص. خذ, I don't know the meaning of خذ. هذا القميص is this shirt. What is the meaning of خذ?
Say that again, Sami.
Mother, yes, I washed it and I ironed it. I don't know the meaning of خذ هذا القميص.
So take this shirt.
خذ, take this shirt, yeah.
Yeah.
سعيدا هاتي ذاك يا أمي ذاك أجمل من هذا. Said, bring that, mother. That is beautiful than this one.
Yeah. Give me that, mother. So,
Give me that, mother. That is beautiful than this one. تدخل مريم. Maryam enters.
I'll
Maryam.
explain just a little bit more. So when you say this is better than before, not
Oh,
better
okay.
than, yeah, because it is better than before.
Okay.
Because
تدخل مريم.
after washing the shirt, it becomes more beautiful. So he's saying
Got
that
it.
it is more beautiful than before.
Maybe I thought maybe he didn't like the one that his mom washed and ironed, and he needs the other one.
Ji.
تدخل مريم ومريم enters مريم السلام عليكم كيف حالك يا أمي وكيف حالك يا أخي مريم enters peace be upon you how are you mother and how are you my brother الأم وعليكم السلام أهلا يا بنتي mother peace be upon you as well my daughter متى خرجت من المدرسة when did you left from the school.
Very good. Is the translation for these? Tommy, let's continue. Let's end the conversation.
Sure. مريم خرجت بعد صلاة الظهر. I left after the afternoon prayer or the Zohar prayer. أمو أين زميلاتك آمنة وفاطمة وسعاد. When did your classmates Amna, Fatima and Suad. Maryam أنا ما رأيتهن بعد الصلاة. I did not see them after the prayer. أمو يا بنتي my daughter أخوك حافظة سورة الرحمن. أي سورة حافظت أنت. Mother, daughter, your brother memorized Surah Rahman. Which surah did you memorize? مريم أنت حفظت سورة الحديد. حفظت سورة الحديد وهي أطول من سورة الرحمن. وكذلك حفظت 16 آية من سورة النبأ. Maryam, I memorized Surah Al-Hadid, and that is longer than Surah Rahman. And وَكَذَلِكَ. What is the meaning of كَذَلِكَ?
This is for you. Likewise.
Likewise, I also memorized um, 17 ayahs from Surah Naba.
Very good.
Ummu, mashallah, Allah wills it. Innaki talibatun mujtahidatun. You are hardworking student.
Indeed, you are.
Indeed, you are a hardworking student. Ana masruratun bika. I am happy with you. أذهبت إلى المكتبة اليوم. Did you go
You're right. You're right. You're saying it right. Keep going.
did you go to school today?
Maktaba.
Maryam naam
No,
zahabtu.
Maktaba is not school.
Oh, library. Sorry, library.
Yes.
Did you go to library? That's why I was confused. Maryam, naam zahabtu. Yes, I went.
Very good. All right. So we'll actually end with Hafiz Usama because the conversation is still going on.
I can do that.
Okay. So let's have Sister Marine do this one because this is for a female. So we'll try to have Sister Marine do this one. Sister Marine, can you do this one, please?
Sure, Bilal bhai. Maryamu Maryam Karatu Majallatu min Pakistanas Muha al-Islam. Maryam Karatu, I read the magazine min Pakistan. From Pakistan. Ismuha, its name is al-Islam. Al-Ummu باللغة العربية هي. Is it in Arabic language? مريم لا هي باللغة الإنجليزية. No, it is in English language. الأم ذهبت إلى المديرة. ذهبت. Your did you go to the director? مريم لا هي ما جاءت يوم. No, I did not go today. Al-Ummu, mother. Lima, why? Maryam, أظن أنها ذهبت إلى مكة. I think he went to Makkah. I think. Al-Ummu Mother, sharibti shaya, did you drink the tea? Maryam, no, ma sharibtu, I did not drink it. Al-ummu, mother, lil khadima, hati shaya ya Layla. Lil khadima is to the servant.
Ji.
Bring
Yep,
bring
to
the
the
tea.
servant.
Okay, bring the tea. O Layla. Maryam wahati kit'ata khubzin aidan. Ya Layla, bring a piece of bread also. O Layla, ana jaw'a, I am hungry.
Very good. Here's the translation for all of these. All right, here's the next one. This is also for you.
Mhm.
So you just have to answer the questions. First, translate the question that you have here. Then I'm going to give you the answer in English and you just have to translate that.
Sure. Ayya suratin hafiza Saeed. Which surat did Saeed memorize?
Okay, keep going.
Kam ayatan min suratin nabai hafizat Maryamu. How many ayah in English is how many lines?
Verses.
Verses, sorry. How many verses from Surah Naba did Maryam memorize? Masmul mujallatil Masmul mujallatil lati qara'atha Maryamu fil maktabati. What was the name of the magazine Maryam read in the library? بأي لغة هي? What was the language of it? Man Layla. Who was Layla?
Who's Layla? So who's Layla?
Who is Layla? Sorry. Yeah.
No, but my question is, who is Layla?
Oh, Lil Khadimi?
I
Yes.
don't know any Leila.
Okay. So let's go to the next one. Oh, what just happened? All right, try to, let's same exercise over here, but this is Sister Marine. You just have to say, translate this and also mention if this is the correct answer or not.
Sure. ما فرح المدرس بسعيد. Uh, ما فرح المدرس. ما means
So remove the word ma and then translate Farih al Mudarrisu bi Saeed
the teacher was happy from Said.
with Saeed. And then what does the ma word means?
Why?
Not.
Not. Oh, okay.
So the teacher was
Teacher
not happy
was
with
not
Saeed.
happy with Said.
Is it yes, correct or wrong?
I think it's wrong.
Yes, that is correct. Yep.
Maryamu Jaw'a. Maryam is hungry. That is
Right.
correct.
Mm-hmm.
خرجت مريم من المدرسة بعد صلاة الظهر. Maryam left the school after the Zuhr Salah or after the.
Mm-hmm.
That is correct, I think.
Good.
Suratul Rahmani atwalu min Suratul Hadid. Surah Hadid. I think that is correct.
That's wrong.
That's wrong. Yeah, Surah Hadid. That's wrong. Okay, yeah, that's wrong. Aminatu wa Fatimatu wa Suadu Zamilatu Maryamu. Maryam, Amina and Fatima and Suad are classmates of Maryam. That is correct.
Very good. You could have, for the number 4, you could have easily cheated. You have a book memorized right next to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Here's the answer for all of these. All right, so the next one, this one is for Brother Abdullah Saeed. Abdullah Saeed, this is for you. You just have to first translate this, and then I'm going to give you the answer in English. You just have to answer this afterwards.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أذهبت إلى المدرسة اليوم? Did you go to the school today?
Just say, yes, I went. I went.
نعم ذهبت.
Very good. Next one.
Okay. متى
متى رجعت من المدرسة? When did you return from the school?
You can say I returned after the Zuhr prayer.
رجعت بعد صلاة الظهر.
Very good. Next one.
أي سورة حفظت هذا الأسبوع؟
No, you missed one.
Oh. أي سورة أوكي. أي سورة قرأت بعد صلاة الفجر? Which surah did you read after Fajr Salah?
So you can say I recited Surah Al-Baqarah.
قرأت سورة البقرة.
Very good. Next one.
Okay, so أي سورة حفظت هذا الأسبوع? Which surah did you memorize this week?
You can say I memorized Surah Al-Naba.
حفظت سورة النبأ.
Very good.
Okay. Okay. بالماء بارد غسلت وجهك أم بماء الحار? Did you wash your face with cold water or with hot water or warm water?
You can say I washed my face with cold water.
غسلت say what is the وجه غسلت وجهي
Wajhi, yes, very good. Wajhi is my face.
وجهي ماء الحار
Bil ma'il har.
بالماء الحار.
Very good. Yep, that's good.
من غسل قميصك ومنديك what is it?
Mindilaka.
Okay. من غسل قميصك ومنديلك. Who washed your shirt and your handkerchief?
So my mother washed it.
أمي غسلت.
Ghasalat. Very good. Very good. Excellent. And here's the answer for all of these. So Brother Abdullah said you stay on for a second. You can complete this one as well. Now in this one, you just have to change the file in the following sentences into the feminine. It's very, very simple. So Asharibta Shaya, Ya Hamid. And the next one is Asharibti Shaya, Ya Su'ad. So you can see that, instead of a ta, you're making a ti. Basically, that's all that is happening over here, nothing else. Okay, so it's very, very simple.
Okay.
And you have to translate also.
Okay. أكتبت درس يا علي. Did you write the lesson, Aliyu? So أكتبت درس يا Amina. Did you write the lesson, Amina? أغسلت وجهك يا أخي. Did you wash your face, my brother? أغسلت وجهك يا أختي. Did you wash your face, my sister?
Very good.
أي سورة حفظت يا بني? Which surah did you memorize, O my son? أي سورة حفظت يا بنتي? Which surah did you memorize, my daughter? أكمست درس أفهمت درس جديد يا هاشم? Did you understand the new lesson, Hashim, O Hashim? أفهمت درس جديد يا أمينة? Did you understand the new lesson, Amina?
Very good.
أي ذهبت بعد الدرس
أين.
أين نعم أين ذهبت بعد الدرس يا أخي? Where did you go after the lesson, oh my brother? أين ذهبت بعد الدرس يا أختي? Where did you go after the lesson, oh my sister?
Very good. Excellent work. Here's the translation for all of these. And the next exercise is for, let's see who's here. Sister Azumi, this is for you. So you simply have to, depending on what you see here, right? So you see Ana, you see Yusuf, you see Ukhti, or you see Fatima. Depending on what you see, you have to add the vowel here. Meaning tu, ti, ta, the fatha, dama, kasra, you have to add depending on the sentence, and also you have to translate this.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ana zahabtu ila matari. I went to the airport. Yusuf. Azahabta ila mal'abi ya Yusuf. Did you go to the playground, Yusuf? Oti zahabat ila mustashfa. My sister went to the hospital. What one? Azahabti ila maktabat ya Fatima. Did you go to the library, Fatima?
Good. Do number 3 one more time. The number 3.
Number 3. Ukti zahabat ila mustashfa. My sister went to the hospital.
Very good, very good. That was absolutely 100% right. This is all good. This is the translation for all of these, as well as the vowels you can see. Tu, tha, and thi. Okay. All we are doing here is, Sister Azumi, you have to explain, just translate what you see over here. That's all. It's very simple. Sister Azumi, this is for you as well.
Okay. Zahabat, you went.
Nope.
Zahabta.
No.
Zahabat, she went.
She went. Very good.
Zahabta, you went.
Good.
That's for masculine.
Very
Zahabti,
good.
she went. That's for feminine. You went. Zahabtu, I went.
Very good. And here's the answer for all of these. And again, very simple, right? Ta means you in masculine, ti means you in feminine, and tu or dama means that I'm talking about myself. All right, so the next exercise is also for you, Sister Azumi. You just have to translate this. That's all. And you remember when you use na'am and when you use bala, okay?
Okay. Afahimta darsa ya Alim. Did you understand the lesson, Alim? Na'am. Fahimtuhu. Yes, I understood it. La. Ma fahimtuhu. No, I didn't understand it. Ama fahimta darsa ya Aliyu. Did you not understand the lesson, Aliyu? Bala fahimtuhu. Yes, I understood it. Naam, ma fahimtuhu. No, I didn't understand it.
Very good. So remember the difference between bala and naam, right? We did it last time, that bala is only used as yes, but when the question is being asked in a negative way, negative situation, and then When it is not asked like this, then you simply say naam. Okay, and here's the translation for all of these. Okay. The next exercise in this case, somebody has to create a question. I'll tell you the question in English, and you'll have to create the question in Arabic. So this would be for Brother Subhan. Brother Subhan, the answer you can see already over here, right? You can see that he's saying Naam Sharibtu. Yes, I did drink, or I drank. You have to make a question over here. So for example, if I have to say, did you drink tea? How will you say this?
Um,
Did you drink tea? And it's for a male.
أشربت. I can say that, right?
Very good.
أشربت الشاي, like tea.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. So the first one I'd say أشربت شاي أو قهوة. I don't know. So I can do that.
That's fine. Next one is, it says, the simply translation is that, yes, I wrote it. So if you have to say, did you write your name? And also for a masculine, did you write your name?
أكتبت اسمك.
Yeah, كتبت اسمك, that's fine, yeah. So as an Arabic rule, everybody knows, right? I mean, because you can either say كتبت اسمك, or
Or
you
you
can
can
say
say
كتبت
اسمك.
اسمك.
Yeah,
Yes.
most people say ism anyway, so.
Yeah, that's fine. Because the next one is, the simply means, yes, I saw him. Yes, I saw him. And because remember, the question is bala. Okay, so now you have to create a question.
Can I say ألا رأيت? ألا رأيته?
No. You have to say, so la means when you're answering a question, you cannot say la like this, right? So our question is, didn't you see Ahmad? In other words, if you have to say, didn't you see Ahmad, how will you say it?
ألا رأيت.
No, you cannot say, no,
sorry.
la is used as an answer. Now in this case, you have to say ama.
نعم أما رأيت أحمد.
Very good.
أحمد. نعم أحمد.
So the next one is, yes, I heard the, no. So نعم ما قرأت هذا الكتاب في العلم. Okay, so if you have to say in this one, didn't you read this book? How will you say this?
أما قرأت هذا الكتاب.
هذا الكتاب, very good. And the next one, if you have to say, yes, I heard the answer is yes, I heard the azan. If you have to say, didn't you hear the azan? How will you say this?
أما سمعت الأذان.
Very good. Now the next one is, did you hear the azan? How will you say it?
أسمعت الأذان.
Very good. The next one is, did you hit this boy?
ضربت الولد or ضربت هذا الولد.
هذا الولد. Very good. Did you hit this boy? Excellent work. And here's the answer for all of these. Rusban, next one is for you as well. Now in this one, you can see the examples, read the examples and answer the questions using the suitable pronouns, either who, whom, ha, and huna. So hunna. So for example, Araita Hamidan, and you say Naam Ra'aituhu, that yes, I saw him. So then you can see that the next question is like that as well. So translate the question and then answer the question, and at the same time, translate the answer as well.
So I can start on the fourth one?
You can start from the first one. It's okay.
So I can start with أرأيت الطلاب
No,
الجدد.
start from the Araita Hamidan, the very first one, which is
Hamza.
you already know the answer, but it's okay. But just translate it.
Okay. أرأيت حامدا. Have you seen Hamid? نعم رأيته. I saw him. Yes, I saw him. رأيت حامدا وهشام. Oh, no, let me read that again. رأيت حامدا وهشام وعلي. نعم رأيتهم. So this says, have you seen Hamid and Hisham and Ali? نعم رأيتهم. Yes, I saw them. رأيت زينب. Have you seen Zainab? نعم رأيتها. Yes, I saw her. رأيت زينب وآمنة وسعاد. Have you seen Zainab and Amina and Suad? نعم رأيتهن. Yes, I saw them. رأيت الطلاب الجدد. Have you seen the new students? نعم رأيتهم. رأيت مديرة. نعم. رأيت مديرة وأختها وبنتها. Have you seen the director? Have you seen the director sister? Have you seen the director's sister or daughter? And daughter?
And daughters. Have you seen the director and her sister and her daughter?
Yes, have you seen? نعم رأيتهن. رأيت المدرس. نعم رأيته. So this means, have you seen the teacher? Yes, I've seen him. أين رأيت أختك مريم? Where did you see your sister مريم? أين رأيت أختك مريم? Where did you see your sister مريم? رأيتها. I can just say رأيتها. Or do you want to
Yes.
go more?
And when you say, the question is, where did you see her? So how are you going to say? For example, you're saying that you saw her in the school. How will you say it?
رأيتها في المدرسة.
رأيتها في المدرسة. Okay, very good. Here is the answer for all of this. The book actually had the answer, رأيتها في المكتبة. And translation is here as well. Same thing, Dar Subhan, but now start now from number 5.
رأيت سيارة المدير. Have you seen the director's car? نعم رأيتها. أين رأيت الأطباء يا علي? Where have you seen the doctors يا علي? رأيتهم في I could say what is the في كلية الطب. I could say that. متى رأيت المدير يا يونس? When did you see the director Yunus? I saw him when. Do you want me to mention a specific time?
Sure.
Or
whatever comes to your mind. You can say I saw him a little while ago.
Let's see. رأيته a specific, or can I say place too?
No, this is for when.
Oh no, wait, yeah. رأيته.
How will you say it? I saw him a little while ago.
Little. How do you say little while?
رأيته قبل قليل. So
رأيته قبل قليل. قبل قليل. أرأيت آمنة وخديجة يا بريرة؟
وبريرة.
وبريرة. Have you seen Amina وخديجة and خديجة and بريرة؟ نعم رأيتهن.
Yeah,
الآن.
because if you have to say, did you see Amina or Khadija or Barira, then it will not be wa, it will be right? So because over here it's a wa, that means have you seen Amina or Khadija? So if you have seen Amina and Khadija and Barira. All right, and here's the answer for all of these. That ends your turn, Brother Subhan. The next one is for who's here? Brother Umar India, this is for you. Umar India, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Bismillah.
So look at the example and then see what the translate that first, and then you will understand exactly what the exercise is over here. So it simply means all you're doing, you're completing the sentences using the anna, bearing in mind that anna is the sister of inna. Okay, so
Okay.
and anna will simply connect. It will simply connect the two words. It
Okay.
means I. When you say azunnu means I think, and then when you say anna, that means that he or that she or that they. So that's what you have to add over there. So and I'll give you some English sentences as well to make it easy for you. So first translate the first two lines.
Huwa maridun. He is sick. Adunnu annahu maridun. I think that he is sick.
Very good.
Al mudarrisu ma ja. The teacher didn't return. Adunnu annal mudarrisa ma ja. I think that the teacher didn't return.
So didn't come. Not
Didn't come. Didn't come.
Mm-hmm. The next one, translate the first line.
Anta tabibun. You are a doctor.
Okay. So
Adunnu anna tabibun.
annaka.
Annaka tabibun.
Very good.
I think you are a doctor. Huwa minal Yabani. He is from Japan.
Mm-hmm.
Adunnu annahu minal Yabani.
Annahu min al Yaman.
Annahu minal Yabani. I think he is from Japan. Here, Maridatun. She is sick. Adunnu annaha maridatun.
Very good.
Whom tullabun. They are students. Adunnu annahum anna tulabuhum.
No, annahum.
Annahum tulabun.
Mm-hmm.
Anta jaw'an. Jaw'a. You are thirsty. Or you are hungry.
Hungry.
You are hungry. Adunnu, or it's anti. Adunnu anna anti jaw'an. I think you are hungry. Al maktabatu maftuhatun. The library is closed. Adunnu annal maktabatu maftuha. I think the library is closed.
Mm-hmm.
القهوة
بارد.
باردة. The coffee is cold. أظن أن القهوة باردة. I think the coffee is cold. محمد ذهب إلى مكة. Muhammad went to Mecca. أظن أن محمد ذهب إلى محمدا ذهب إلى مكة. I think Muhammad went to Mecca. فاطمة في المكتبة. Fatima is in the library.
Mm-hmm.
أظن إن فاطمة في المكتبة. I think Fatima is in the library.
Very good.
أنتم مدرسون. You plural are teachers. أظن أن مدرسون. أنكم مدرسون.
Very good.
I think you are teachers.
Excellent work. This is really good.
Okay.
Here's the answer for all of these. Next one is simply translating these, what you see on your screen. My friend is not here today, otherwise I would have given it to Brother Sama Daniel. So this one, Sister Mavish, can you translate these? Sister Mavish, this is for you. Can you talk?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Ida Asharata Talibatu. 11 students.
Very good.
Isniyata Asharatan Talibatan. 12 students.
Very good.
Lasa Asharatan Talibatan. 13 students. Arba Asharatan Talibatan. 14 students. Kamasa Asharatan Talibatan. 15 students. Samani 8 students. And this Asharata Talibatan 17 no 19 students.
19, very good.
19 Ashurun Talibatan 20 students. Sitta Asharatan Talibatan 16 students. Saba Asharatan Talibatan 17 students.
Excellent work. And the main reason for this one was to explain from number 13 to number 19, the difference that happens, because you can see that in this case, the Asharata and Talibatan, directly agreeing with each other, and then all the way up to number 19. So this Asharata will actually agree with the noun that you see over here, because both will have Ta marbuta, but in the first one, you can see that it does not. So the next one. All right. So in this case, Sister Mahavish, this is for you as well. And you also have to translate this. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to translate the sentence first and then change the number that you see digits over here into the Arabic number with the actual figure. Mahavish?
Yes. Come Sinuka Sini 19 Sanata. Yes.
Translate this.
Old. How old are you?
Very good.
Tisa Asharatan. I am 19 years old.
So, Sinni Tis'a Asharata Sanata.
Sinni
Tis'a
19.
Asharata. No, you're not saying 19. You have to say the Arabic, use the Arabic word for the 19. What is the Arabic word for 19?
Tisa.
Tis'a Ashara.
Tisa Asharata. Yes.
Next one.
Quran and
Qara'na. Qara'na.
18 Safatu min Hazal Kitaba.
This is 14.
14. Okay. Araba Asharata. We read 14 pages from this book.
From this book, very good. Next one.
Fi hazihi hafilati 18 rakibata 15 rakiba. Yes. Passenger. There are 18 passenger
Male passengers.
and 15 female passenger.
Okay, now change the word 18 and 15 into Arabic.
18 is Samaniya Asharata.
Samaniyata Ashara.
Samaniya Asharata and
No.
Khamasar Asharata.
So the first one is for male. So you will say Samaniyata Ashara.
Samaniyata Ashara and Khamsa Ashara.
Khamsa Asharata. The second one, because second one is for females. That's okay. Let's go to the next one. Number 4.
Sagiri fihi 12 urfata fakat. This hotel is small, 12 rooms in it. And 12 is Asnata Asharata.
Isnata Ashara. Very good.
Asnata Asharata. Usmanu Lahu 11 Abnau 12 Binnatan.
Bintan.
Usman has 11 sons and 12 daughters. 11 is Ahada Ashara and 12 is Abnan Asnata. Abnan Asnata, yes. Nahin. Ahada Ashara Abnan.
Just translate the 12.
12.
Translate the 12 into Arabic. So, Sister Mavish, what is the translation for 12?
Yes, sorry, sir. क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया? Sorry, sir, I'm not revised. So I'm not memorized. So sorry.
That's okay. Isnata Ashara.
Isna Ashara.
Isnata Ashara. Okay, next one.
Yes.
What is the next one?
Anna, 13 surah. I memorized 13 surah. Salasa Asharata.
Okay, next one.
Fi hadar mutaffa 19 tabiban or 14 tabibatun.
This is not, so this is 17.
17 tabibatun, yes. There are 19 male doctors and 17 female doctors. 19 is this Ata Ashara Tabiban and 17 is Saba Asharata.
Very good.
Quran al-Yawmi 18 Kalmatun Jadidatun. We read 18 new words today. Yawma, yes. And 18 is a Samani Asharata. Hadal Kalamu, 14 rupiah. And this pen of 14 rupees. Arba Asharata, fi hazihil imarata, 16 shikatan. Imarat building. There are 16
Apartments.
apartments in this building.
Very good.
And Sittan Asharata. Fi hadal fadlu 20 talibatun. There are 20 students talibatun in this class. Ashurun.
Ishrun. Very good. Okay. I have to fix one thing very quickly. Just try to fix this in the slides. I noticed there was a mistake in one of these slides. Okay. I'm going to fix this right away that way. 19 male doctors and 17. Okay, there you go. So I'll share my screen again with you. There you go. So I had this 17 female doctors missing, and then I also had this page was written as this book was written as this page. So I noticed this while you were doing this. So I've corrected this now. So the next one is for again, this is not we have to do. We don't need to do this. This is too much if you do this right now. So we'll skip this for now because this is very easy exercise. This was supposed to be done differently. So I'll just mention this here. So it was simply counting the numbers, right? Ahada ashara, isna ashara, salasa ashara, arba ashara, khamsa ashara, sitta ashara, saba ashara, samani ashara, tis ashara, and ishurun. So, and then same thing for the females. So you can see at the bottom, ihda asharata taliban, isnata asharata talibatan, salasa asharata taliban, right? So all of those simply we're going to mention the numbers based on what you see up top. Exercise number 15. What are we doing here? Okay, what is the question here? No problem, inshallah. Okay. So in this one, we'll fill in the blanks as shown in the examples right here. So you'll have to make three. You have to fill in 3 blanks depending on what you see over here, right? So in this one, for example, first one is Khalidun Atshan, that Khalid is hungry or Khalid is thirsty. So depending on what you see here, you'll have to add either one female, 2 males, or sorry, the plural of the male and then the plural of the females. So this one can be done by who's not done yet. So this will be for Abdul Rahman. This is for you. Abdul Rahman.
So Khalidun Atshanu. Khalid is thirsty. Aminatu Atsha. Amina is thirsty. Al-awladu Al-awladu Atshanu. Atash. The boys are thirsty. Al-banatu Atashin. The daughters are thirsty. Ibrahimu Shab'anu.
Ibrahimu Shab'an.
Shab'an. Ibrahim is full. Fatima to Shab'a. Fatima is full.
I have a question for you. How did you come with the name Fatima? Why don't you say Maryam?
Is this a random choice?
Are you sure? Are you sure it's a random choice?
I just picked Fatima.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just do Maryam.
Okay.
Maryam.
I want to make sure that you're not looking at the slides, okay? The written slides. You have to do this with your memory, okay? Otherwise, there is no purpose of the exercise. So you cannot
Maryam
look, nobody can look at the slides that was done before. You have to do this with your memory, okay? So nobody is allowed to do this without looking at the slides. If anybody is looking at the slides, you're cheating, and that is not allowed. Go ahead.
Maryamu Shab'a. Maryam is full.
Mm-hmm.
I said boys the last.
Go ahead.
Al-waladu. Al-waladu.
Mm-hmm.
Shab'anu. The boys are full.
But al-waladu is the singular. You have to say awladu.
Al-awladu Shab'anu. The boys are full.
So you have to say al-awladu shaba'. So shaba' is the plural. When you say the plural word, you have to add the plural adjective also. So that will be al-awladu shaba'.
Al-awladu Shab'a.
Mm-hmm.
The boys are full.
Okay.
How do you say girls? The girls? How do you say the girls?
Tell me.
I forgot.
You can say sisters. How will you say sisters?
Al-aqtu.
No. Akhawat. Akhawat.
Al-akhwatu. Al-akhwatu Shab'a. The sisters are full.
Okay, but how will you say girls, by the way?
Girls. That's female.
Fatayat.
Fatiyatun. Okay,
Yeah. So fatah is for the girl, and then our young girl, and girls will be fatayat. Okay, next one.
Al-mudarrasu ghazbanu.
Al-mudarrisu.
But
See, there is a kasra. There is a mudarrisu.
Al-mudarrisu ghazbanu. The teacher.
The ghadban. There is no zwad in Arabic. Okay, it is ghadban.
Ghazbanu. The teacher is hungry.
Teacher is what?
Hungry.
No, he's angry.
Angry.
Yes.
And the teacher is angry.
Mm-hmm. You can say next one. You can go ahead. Sorry.
It's like the minister.
So why don't you do this? So you just change the mudarrisu to female teacher. How will you say female teacher?
Al-mudarrisatu.
Mudarrisatu.
Al-mudarrisatu ghazban.
Ghadba. Which is a female teacher. So the female teacher is angry.
Female teacher is angry.
And it is not ghazban, okay? It is ghadban. There is no zwad in Arabic. It's all in Urdu.
Okay.
If you to say
Al-awladu.
No. Just say plural teachers. What is the plural for teachers?
Al-mudarrisatu.
Okay.
Ghadban.
Ghadba.
Ghadba. The teachers are angry.
What is the plural for male teachers?
Male. Al-mudarrisatu.
Al-mudarrisun.
Al-mudarrisun. Ghadba.
No, ghadab.
No, the female teachers are
Oh,
angry.
male teacher. You
The
just
male
said male teacher.
teachers are angry.
Okay, next one.
Yusufu Kaslano. Yusuf is hungry,
Lazy.
lazy. Yusufu Kaslano. Yusuf is lazy.
Yes.
Muhammadu Kasla. Muhammad is lazy.
No. Why is
Wait,
Muhammad coming kasa? You have to
female.
use the plural here.
It's a plural, right? So I have to use
I'll make
Yusufu.
it easy. I'll make it easy for you. Look up top on the screen. You have already the answers. You can use Tulab, Talibat, and Maryam as your fill in the blanks. Okay.
Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna use. So Yusuf, I've turned Yusuf to a female. Like,
No.
so Yusuf is a male.
Yes.
So I do like if Hamid is a male, I do like Maryam. So if this is Yusuf, I should do like Amin or something.
Yes. Sure. That's fine. You can use Maryam also.
Amina to Kasla.
Very good.
Amina is lazy.
Okay.
And
Look on top of the screen.
now,
It's the answer is already written. Abdullabu.
الطلاب جياع.
Not Jiaun. Kusala.
الطلاب كسالى. The students are lazy. الطالبات كسالى. The female students are lazy. I think I understand this.
Got it. Very good work. All right. The next one is for. What are we doing here? Yeah, this is simply, we don't need to actually do this. This is simply to explain. See how you have kitabun and you have kitabin, because majroor will always have the kasra or kasratain, and mansoob will always have the fatha or fathatain. This example is simply to be able to explain that. And this example, for example, you say Hamidun will Hamidin and Hamidan, Khalidun, Khalidin, Khalidan, depending on where you're using it. So marfu, this is the regular form or nominal form, the normal form of the writing the word. Then this is the majroor form, and then this is the mansoob form for writing the same exact thing. So I'm not going to go through this. This is simply to explain what this is. All right, so the next one is simply to translate the sentences right here. So we'll go back to Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama.
So, what's the aspil alba over here?
Just simply translate
Just
the
simply
sentence.
translate.
Ji.
Hati ya Ahmed. Bring it, Ahmed. Hati ya Suadu. Bring it, Suad. But it's like the female version of Hati. Hatu ya Ikhwani. Bring it, brothers. Hatina ya Akhawatu. Bring it, sisters, but it's the feminine version of the Hatu.
Very good. Yeah, the exercise was simply to explain how Hati or Hat is Hatu or Hatin is usually used for different nouns. So that's very good. There you go. So we'll actually end the session today here. Reason being because if I try to do the next part right now, it will not finish in 10 minutes and we are only left with around 12 minutes. So we'd rather not do this right now. We'll actually meet inshallah next week with the next lesson, which will be lesson number 7. I was looking at lesson number 7, by the way. Lesson number 7 is very long. So hopefully we'll try to finish it, in one go, in 1.5 hours next week. But for now, we'll actually end this lesson number 6 today. And if you have any questions or concerns, please do reach out to me via WhatsApp. I'll try to answer this as quickly as possible. Until then, inshallah, we'll meet next week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.